If you're ready to make 2025 a breakthrough year for your business, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Coach Maile. Let me ask you, what would it feel like to have complete clarity on where your business is headed, a clear action plan to get there, and a group of like minded professionals right alongside you? That's what exactly the 2025 Business Kickstart Program is designed to do. In this 90-day program, you'll get the tools, strategy, and support to build the business you've been dreaming of. And today, I want to share with you 3 high-level strategies that we'll be focusing on to help you get there. First, we'll connect your vision with your why. Knowing why you're doing this work, not just for profit, but for purpose, will give you the fuel you'll need to stay motivated even when things get tough. Second, we'll create a year-long marketing calendar so you're not scrambling at the last minute. Imagine having a strategic plan in place that makes it easy to stay consistent, reach your ideal clients, and keep momentum going all year. And third, we'll identify the non-negotiable revenue generating actions that are going to move the needle on your business. These are the things that done consistently will help you get ahead of your competition and stay there. Well, you'll work with me directly and just importantly, with a small group of other driven, growth minded professionals. It's all about surrounding yourself with people who will support and challenge you in ways that make a difference. With only 12 seats available, this is a hands on, focused experience. So if you're ready to get clear, confident, and build a solid plan for success in 2025, click the button below and join us. Let's make 2025 your best year yet together. I can't wait to see you there.